guys, it's Devil Gamer 21 here. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having a fabulous day. Today I am creating a working fridge. So this is just a demo kitchen, you know, what you would get in Minecraft. So let's look at the fridge. This is the fridge, obviously. So, oh, the button's broken. Need the button. Put the button back. Then you can press the button. And it shoots food at you. How great is that? Now. Yeah, got it. Right, so you will need for can't remember what you need. So items you will need are iron, a dispenser, button, and an iron door. So let's just quickly start off here. So I want to start with the dispenser. No, we'll start off with the iron. You can do it in either way. Then you place the dispenser, then the button there. See, it works. And then, so it's sort of really cool. So you can stand here and then place the iron door. So it should look like that. Then you can press it. It'll open the door and do that. So then you want to choose some food. If I can find it there. So I'm going to have golden apples, watermelon, bread, cake. I'll have cooked chicken, steak. I'll have cooked pork chop, fish, and cookies. So then we can just put it all straight in there. And there we go. So then all you have to do is just press that and it will shoot food at you. There we go. Shoot me some cookies. I want a cookie. Give me a cookie. Cookie now! Thank you. But anyway, so I know this was just a short video, but I'm not done yet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it, as I said a minute ago. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more content from this channel or me. And peace.